approach briefing.
Ready.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Ready? Okay. I will expect a Carup 1 Alpha arrival in Almaty. 10-2 is the approach plate. Carup 1 Alpha, Carup, under above, flight level 148. Turbo point under above, flight level 108. Decline for past 11.7 miles from Alpha Lima Mike, that is Almaty POR, at the altitude of 4,860. At the hotel marker, we do the check, 2,970.
Almaty approach, identified descent flight level 2,400 meters.
Say again the altitude.
Descent flight level 2,400 meters.
2,400 meters, Victor Alex.
7-9.
Così
Yeah.
pensavo si fosse arrabbiato.
That's good for the film when you smile, Paola.
Yeah, why not? Not after the landing.
Everyone wants to fly with Ocean Airline in the future. But only with you.
Yes.
Hey, Rob, I am jealous. What about you?
100,
Okay.
50, 40, 30,
Ok, adesso
20,
via, su.
10.
Bravo. Speed breaker. Centro pista, ready reverse, vai. Bravo. Centro pista. Centro pista.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. This is your first officer speaking. My name is Simone Greven. I'm your pilot flying this afternoon. Now some information concerning our flight today. We had takeoff and burn into the runway 26 left. That means westerly direction. After a right turn, we...
ILS, 22 left, Helsinki, page 4, 9th November 05.
Yeah, check.
We have to expect my steam E. Frequency 110.3 Hotel Kilo set on both sides. And the final inbound course 221 is set on both course selected.
500.
Check.
Approach minimum.
Check.
Minimum on the 12 o'clock.
And side continue.
$50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed break up.
Check.